friends, welcome to my channel, Utterly Delicious Curry Heaven. Today I'm going to show you how to make green chutney. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients: pudina, 3 cups coriander leaves, 3 cups green chilies 8 to 10, garlic cloves 4 to 5, ginger 1 inch, lemon or lime juice 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds half a teaspoon, and some salt to taste. So let's begin. Now we will add all the ingredients together: ginger, salt, cumin seeds, lemon juice, green chilies, mint or pudina leaves, coriander leaves, and then blend everything together. Our green chutney is now ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again in my next video. Get spiced and thrive.